So this is a 10th anniversary edition of a debunk I did back about 10 years ago on this on a video that flat earthers were using to try and discredit Soundley's Lake Pontchartrain transmission line photos that he took that clearly showed a curved earth. And I've fixed a glitch that was in this in my video, so it's clearer. Um, so the flatties, where you see this pop up still, they have these Lego blocks, and they say that this shows that a flat table can hide something. But as you'll see in the video, this table is not flat. It's got some bump in the middle, and there's a giveaway in the video. Um, I believe this was made by Karen B. I've positively ID'd the tattoos on her arm. So yeah, 10th anniversary edition. So this flat art video is attempting to prove that you can get horizon effects. You can get things hidden behind an apparent horizon on a flat table. Yeah, so they're trying to show here that this parts of these Lego blocks or this car get hidden behind the horizon on the flat table, and due to some magical perspective effects that they keep banging on about. But if you look carefully at this table, here's another frame out of this video. You can see this table has some sort of straight line across the center of it. It would appear this table is bowed in the middle. It's probably some sort of folding table, and it's right where this line is that the Lego blocks or the wheels of the car disappear. So this video actually proves that you actually need a curve to produce an horizon effect. If you look at these couple of frames from the video, you can see where the car is going over the bump. You can see how it bumps up quite clearly. So yeah, this is another example of more flat art fuckery. And so this is what it looks like if you actually do the experiment and don't cheat like a lying flat art prick. If you take a Jenga piece like this and you mark the bottom and the middle of it so you can see what's going on, you can mark it like this, and then you put a Jenga piece like this at the end of a long line of other Jenga pieces on a table that is actually flat, like this one here is. And if you then put the camera on the surface of the table, you know, like we are when you're actually on the surface of the earth and not off the side of the table, if you put it on the surface of the table, on the surface of the model earth rather than off the side of the earth as if you're floating out in space looking onto the edge of the flat earth, if you do that and you take a photograph, it looks like this one here. And you don't see any curve. You see the Jenga pieces going off into the distance, into a vanishing point, and the lines are straight. The vanishing point are straight. And if you zoom in on that little last end Jenga piece there to see if there's anything hidden below the horizon, you'll see that no, it's all visible. You can see both of the rubber bands there. So this is what happens when you do the actual experiment properly and don't cheat.